Dance for the camera. Whoops, check the. Okay, now you can dance. You ready to dance? Here you go.
Stella,
Woo!
you got the moves?
Let's see the moves. Let's see the moves. Ah!
Stella, do dance.
Let's see. That's a good one. You got any other moves?
Yeah.
Let's see them.
What other moves you have?
Yeah. I can move.
I think you can get enough going around circles.
Oh, here they are. Beautiful.
Oh.
Ooh, look at that. That's gorgeous. She's like a little ballerina. My goodness. Whoa. She's beautiful, isn't she? Can she go the other way? Can you go the other way, darling?
Stella, do you want me to get your hair on your face?
Can you unwind?
Yeah.
There you
Can you unwind? Oh, she's even got the dog working with her. Whoa.
Whoa.
Beautiful. Now can you sing a Christmas song?
What was that?
One negative I said like that. That goes about 2 minutes to make Show me.
Why? 2 minutes?
That doesn't sound.
You're
That
exaggerating.
may have been one of a defective one, but that was one of the